shoo away a yappy bird. Sorry about that. Okay, so the videos continue. Part 284C3M1b7c8e12c9. And this is line 22f1fa19c3m1b7c8e12c9. Hypersurface sphere stereographic projection 5G Wow Seti. This is the alien radio signal here. And this video is in relation to the UFO core spaceship ideas. I'm researching the keywords from quadric surface to hypersurface and 5-axial forces, and these will be used to levitate the sphere. Okay? So December 18, 2012, today is the 31st of December. The keyword is quadratic from data leads to hypersurface from previous video. Line 22f1fa19c3m1b7c8e12c8, Tri-Axial Ellipsoidal forces formulas core UFO 5G Wow Seti. Quotes, diagrams are from Wiki. This shows a hypersurface, and actually if you go to the actual site, this bounces up and down, which is what I was looking at. The core sits here and it bounces up and down from the force that's built underneath it. So that's what it made me think of. So quote diagram from Wiki. Visualization of Ackley's function of 3 variables with time being associated to the 3rd variable. Quote from Wiki. In geometry, a hypersurface is a generalization of the concept of hyperplane. Suppose an enveloping manifold M has n dimensions. Then any submanifold of M or of n to 1 dimensions is a hypersurface. Equivalently, the codimension of a hypersurface is 1. In algebraic geometry, this keeps cutting into my arm here. In algebraic geometry, a hypersurface in projective space of dimension n is an algebraic set that is purely of dimension n to 1. Is then defined by a single equation f equals 0, a homogeneous polynomial in the homogeneous coordinates. It may have singularities, so not in fact to be a submanifold in the strict sense. Primal is an old term for an irreducible hypersurface. The keyword is n-sphere. Quotes diagrams from Wiki. In mathematics, an n-sphere is a generalization of the surface of an ordinary sphere to arbitrary dimension. For any natural number n, and an n-sphere of radius r is defined as a set of points in n plus 1 two-dimensional Euclidean space, which are at a distance r from a central point where the radius r may be any positive real number. Okay? So 2-sphere wireframe as an orthogonal projection. And then it says keyword stereographic projection. Quote diagram from Wiki. Just as the stereographic projection can project a sphere surface to a plane, it can also project the surface of a 3-sphere into a 3-space. This image shows 3 coordinate directions projected to 3-space. Okay. The parallels are red, the meridians are the blue, and the hypermedians are green. So you go back to this and show you what it looks like. Due to the conformal property of the stereographic projection, the curves intersect each other orthogonally in the yellow points. There's our yellow points here. See? Little yellow points all over the place. You see that? Yeah. Okay. As in 4D, all the curves are circles. The curves that intersect are that equation there. Have an infinite radius, which equals a straight line. December 18, my thoughts. These math equations and designs would be for the UF core design, making it levitate in hyperspace inside of the rotating spaceship ideas found in the very first WOW data, lines 1 to 22. Okay, so there's sketches, designs. There's actually UFO designs from several scientists that I found on their blogs and stuff that they wrote 50 years ago with their ideas. We got Russian magnetic experiments that they've been successful with their spaceships, their secret spaceships, whatever they do. So the keyword hypermeridians from n-sphere and hypersurface are going to be in the next videos. Thank you for watching.